Hey y'all, hey, it's the Master Stylist, and now I'm back with another video. I know it feels like forever since I posted like a full tutorial on this page. Um, Not sure why, but I'm here today. So welcome me. Today I am doing my client Alicia. She comes in like every couple of months to get her color done. She likes her sides really, really short, and she likes like the girl at the top. I personally do not like the way she makes me style her hair, but it's her hair, and that's what she's paying for. So that's what she's gonna get. Now, we did talk her into switching up her color this time because we usually do like pink, teal, and I think like a blue, no, purple, pink, purple, and like a blue color. But today I'm currently removing the color from her hair. So I'm using the color remover and it's by Joico. And once we get the color out of her hair, she's gonna do a orange and a like fuchsia color. Um, so using the color remover, we are just doing like a 20 volume developer in the color remover, and you can see me kind of putting it on the hair and then kind of massaging it in as well. I'm doing the ends first because obviously there's no color to her roots, and we are just want to remove that fashion color out of the hair. So it's best to use color remover and not use a like actual bleach or lightener per se when you want to remove color from the hair. It's just not as harsh on the hair, and you're actually removing the color from the hair and not just lifting and making what's in the hair lighter, if you kind of understand where I'm going with that. Okay, so phase one is over with the color removing process, and I believe the color that she has right now is it's enough to do what we the color that we plan on doing. I don't need to go any lighter. So now I'm taking lightener, or as the stylists call it, bleach, and I'm going in with her the parts of her hair that has not been previously colored, and just lightening that light enough to where I can do the fuchsia, because the base color is going to be the fuchsia color, and then the orange is going to be mid shaft to the end. So I'm going to lift her to about like a level 8 or 9 ish, more like a level 8. And that is going to make sure that her color comes out nice and vibrant, because a lot of times I get people to say like, "Oh, my color don't come out vibrant," and sometimes it's just because you're just not lifting the hair light enough. And I know it can get scary sometimes. You're just like, "Oh, I got to take it out. It's gonna break the hair." But honestly, going low and slow is the way to go. And when I say low and slow, I mean use a lower developer. So I'm only lightening her hair with a 20 volume developer, and it'll stay on longer, but it's not as, harsh on the hair. Now, I do work fast. This video is sped up, but I do work pretty fast. So I could actually go in with like a 30 volume if I wanted to, but I didn't feel like it was needed because she's just, we're doing the fashion color. We're not doing like a platinum or anything like that. So phase three is done, and I have my assistant here just blow drying her hair. Another reason why your fashion colors aren't coming out vibrant, and that's because you are putting the color on wet hair. You want to make sure that the hair is dry before you're coloring it because the water in the hair is going to dilute the color, and you want it full strength so that it's vibrant. So always remember when you're doing color, especially fashion colors, that you want to make sure the hair is completely dry before you start with the color process. Another tip is when we are switching colors, you want to make sure that you are wiping your hands off with a towel each time. And by doing that, I won't be getting the fuchsia all over the orange. So anytime I start with a new color, I'm going to make sure I wipe my hands off every time. So I'm going to do the roots. I did all of the roots first. And then I'm gonna go back and well actually I didn't do the roots first. I did um the roots and the other parts together. So you'll see me, I don't know if I edit it out, but you'll see where I'm doing the roots right now. And then once I get ready to go in with the next color, I'm gonna wipe my hands off and then I'll go and dip my brush and paint on the And of course, I forgot to turn the camera on once she came from under the dryer and got shampooed. But here it is. We are doing just like some barrel curls. She likes the top to have to be kind of curly. And I'm using a 1 inch flat iron, and this one is by EAP Heat. You can use this or you can use like whatever you prefer. This one is a little bit more on the expensive side. So I will link you guys some more affordable flat irons that you can use. But it's up to you, honey. You got the money. Baby, go get the EAP. But whatever your heart's desire. But we're just doing like some barrel curls in the middle, or candy girls, whatever you want to call it, beach waves. I don't know, whatever your name is for these curls, and just doing them going back. Her hair actually was naturally curly, but she did kind of lose her curl with the coloring, the coloring, the bleaching, and with all of the flat ironing and stuff over time. But she doesn't mind because we're just gonna do it curly anyway. And so I'm just gonna kind of use my nails as like a comb. And you'll see me when I just touch the top of her head. And I just make sure the curls are all the way cool before we start combing it out. You want to make sure it's cool so that the curl holds. If you comb it out, while the hair is still warm, the curl is not gonna be as tight. Again, this is how she loves for me to do her hair. I personally like, going to the side, soft curls, more of a straighter look, like feathered, but she likes it this way, and this is her head, so this is what we're gonna do. And she is funny because she was like, I'm not trying to be looking like one of the Three Stooges, which is hilarious to me. But she loves her hair. She always does.
The reason why I have you do the curls on top is so that it gives it more volume.
Yeah.
But this is so much better, and it's easier when I go home.
Mm-hmm.
Like I don't have
You
to.
just spring curl it.
Yeah. I'm all done, April.
Yeah, you say you gonna let her do it, huh? Yeah.
That sounds like you don't have faith in me.
You don't have faith in us because she been was trying to do it